MF Travels presents drone shots of the Hilton Vacation Club Flamingo Beach at Sint Maarten. Before anything else, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. If you want to wake up to the gentle sound of waves and step onto pristine powder soft sands, then this is the resort for you. They're located right on the beach with an on-site restaurant and bar. The outdoor pool is framed by sea views on two sides. The Hollywood Casino is around the corner along with several restaurants including Juliette's Bistro and the Red Piano Lounge. Watersports and diving are down the road. Hiking and horseback riding are within 3 kilometers. Most importantly, the beach is nice for chilling and lounging all day. Now I'm just gonna let you check it out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching and comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to book your vacay with me, MF Travels. Peace out!